If you've ever dreamed of waking up to the sound of church bells echoing through cobblestone streets, sipping espresso under sun-drenched piazzas, and living where art, food, and history wrap around your soul like a warm embrace, then this video was made for you. Because today, I'm not just showing you a tourist's Italy. I'm taking you inside the 15 best places to live or retire in Italy, carefully picked for expats, digital nomads, and retirees who want more than a postcard. They want a home. And don't worry, this isn't just about the big cities. In fact, the places on this list will surprise you. Some are tucked away in the rolling hills of Tuscany. Others bask along the quiet shores of the Adriatic. So stay with me to the end, because the top 3 spots, they'll blow your mind and might just change your life. Let's count them down, starting with number 15. Number 15. Ferrara, Emilia-Romagna's medieval masterpiece. A city straight out of a Renaissance painting. Ferrara isn't flashy, but that's exactly why people fall in love with it. Think wide boulevards, cycling culture, and UNESCO World Heritage architecture. The cost of living is far lower than Milan or Rome, yet you get the same high-quality healthcare and infrastructure. Bonus? The locals are warm, the summers are sunny but not scorching, and you're just a short train ride from Bologna or Venice. It's the perfect live like a local city that's easy to call home. Number 14. Trento, clean, safe, and alpine serenity. Want mountains, safety, and a high quality of life? Trento is one of the cleanest and most organized cities in Italy. Nestled in the Dolomites, this place feels like Switzerland, but with pasta. It has some of the best public services in the country, great schools, and is perfect for outdoor lovers. Winters are snowy, summers are crisp, and the lifestyle is all about balance. If you're a remote worker or a retiree who values peace, this hidden northern gem is calling your name. Number 13. Lecce, the Florence of the South. Picture Baroque architecture, golden sunsets, and beaches that rival Greece. Lecce is located in Puglia, one of Italy's most affordable and up-and-coming regions. The city has a rich cultural scene, low property prices, and some of the best food in the country. Yes, even by Italian standards. It's also becoming popular with digital nomads thanks to fast internet, growing co-working spaces, and friendly locals. If you want the South without the chaos, Lecce delivers. Number 12. Modena, where luxury meets livability. Yes, it's the land of balsamic vinegar, Ferrari, and fast cars. But Modena is also one of the most livable cities in Italy. It's clean, elegant, and surprisingly affordable for its level of development. Healthcare? Top-notch. Food? Michelin star worthy. And the vibe? Calm, cultured, and cozy. You get the perks of a modern Italian lifestyle without the crowds, noise, or outrageous rents. Ideal for someone who wants a little luxury in their everyday life, without breaking the bank. Number 11. Parma, small city charm, big lifestyle perks. Parma is one of those cities that quietly offers you everything, without demanding the spotlight. It's famous for prosciutto and parmesan, sure. But beyond the food is a city full of elegance, safety, and an affordable cost of living. It's walkable, peaceful, and has top-tier healthcare. The cultural life is rich, with concerts, art, and theater year-round. And the best part? It feels like a secret. You're not tripping over tourists. You're just living. And for many retirees and digital nomads, that's exactly the dream. Number 10. Salerno, the Amalfi Coast's affordable cousin. Yes, you read that right. Salerno gives you Amalfi Coast vibes without the Amalfi Coast prices. Located just south of the tourist hotspots, it offers seaside views, Mediterranean charm, and easy access to some of Italy's most iconic scenery. Yet you can actually find affordable housing, quiet neighborhoods, and authentic Southern Italian culture. This is the kind of place where you can sip wine by the water, mingle with locals at open-air markets, and still have money left for weekend boat trips. It's like having your own slice of paradise, without the price tag. Number 9. Arezzo, Tuscany without the crowds. Dreaming of Tuscany but not the tourists or inflated prices? Arezzo is your answer. This stunning hill town offers all the beauty of the region, rolling vineyards, Renaissance art, and golden sunsets, at a fraction of the cost of Florence or Siena. It's laid back but cultured, with a vibrant expat community that flies under the radar. Property prices are surprisingly reasonable. And the food? Let's just say if you love truffles, wine, and cheese, you'll never want to leave. Arezzo is a love letter to slow Italian living done right. Number 8. Bologna, the intellectual heart of Italy. Home to the oldest university in the Western world, Bologna is brainy, bold, and bursting with flavor, literally. It's often called Italy's food capital, and once you try the local pasta, you'll understand why. But beyond the cuisine, Bologna is a hub for culture, learning, and liberal, progressive energy. It has fast trains to anywhere in Italy, a lively but not overwhelming atmosphere, and neighborhoods full of character. If you want a youthful vibe, excellent infrastructure, and a mix of old and new, Bologna checks all the boxes. And now the countdown's heating up. We've got 7 incredible destinations left. And trust me, the final 5 are some of the most breathtaking, budget-friendly, and livable places you never knew existed in Italy. Number 7. Lecce, the Florence of the South. If you've never heard of Lecce, prepare to fall hard. Known as the Florence of the South, Lecce is drenched in Baroque beauty, with golden stone buildings, sunlit piazzas, and a laid-back charm that feels like a secret slice of heaven. Located in the Puglia region, it offers beaches just 15 minutes away, warm Mediterranean weather, and an incredibly low cost of living. Expats are discovering it fast, but it still retains its authentic Italian soul. You could buy a home here for less than a used car in Los Angeles and live like royalty. Number 6. Trento, clean, green, and safe. Want to live in a place where life just works? Trento might be your dream. Nestled in the Alps near the Austrian border, it's ranked one of the cleanest and safest cities in Italy. The infrastructure is top-notch, the healthcare system is excellent, and the public transportation is a dream. It's a paradise for outdoor lovers too, with hiking, skiing, and biking right outside your door. Trento has a more Central European vibe, but all the Italian warmth. It's peaceful, prosperous, and perfect for those who crave order and nature. Number 5. Lucca, Tuscany's hidden fortress. Imagine living inside an ancient city wall, biking through narrow cobblestone streets, and sipping espresso under medieval towers. That's Lucca. Often overshadowed by nearby Florence and Pisa, Lucca is a Tuscan gem that's equal parts enchanting and livable. The cost of living is lower than you'd expect, and its historical charm hasn't been overrun by tourism. You'll find thriving local markets, cozy apartments, and a strong sense of community. If you're looking for postcard-perfect Italy without the chaos, Lucca delivers. Number 4. Bergamo, Milan's underrated neighbor. Just 45 minutes from Milan but with a soul of its own, Bergamo is a city of contrasts. Ancient upper town, modern lower city, and views that will steal your breath. It's got the elegance of a northern Italian city with none of the stress. Real estate is surprisingly affordable, the healthcare system is solid, and public transport links you to the rest of Europe. It's ideal for retirees who want access to big city amenities without big city madness. Plus, being close to the Alps means weekend getaways in nature are always on the table. The final 3 destinations are going to blow you away. We've saved the most iconic, surprising, and jaw-droppingly affordable places for last. Number 3. Verona, romance, beauty, and balance. Welcome to the city of Romeo and Juliet, where history meets modern Italian living in perfect harmony. Verona isn't just for Shakespeare lovers. It's a vibrant city with stunning architecture, world-class opera, delicious food, and a fantastic quality of life. The cost of living is reasonable, and the pace is just right, not too fast, not too sleepy. You've got great hospitals, good public transit, and easy access to Venice, Lake Garda, and the Alps. Plus, Verona's charm isn't just in its buildings, it's in the lifestyle. People here enjoy life, and if you're looking to slow down while still feeling alive, Verona might be your perfect match. Number 2. Palermo, Sicily's bold comeback. Palermo is loud, chaotic, and unapologetically alive, and that's exactly what makes it special. For years, it was overlooked due to its past reputation, but today it's making a fierce comeback. Palermo offers gorgeous beaches, bustling markets, and architecture that spans Arab, Norman, and Baroque styles. It's warm year-round, incredibly affordable, and full of flavor, literally and figuratively. A 2-bedroom apartment in a central neighborhood can cost less than a monthly studio rent in New York. The expat community here is growing, drawn by the unbeatable mix of history, culture, and value. If you want your retirement or expat life to be anything but boring, Palermo is calling. Number 1. Bologna, Italy's most underrated masterpiece. And here it is, #1 on the list, and arguably one of Italy's best-kept secrets. Bologna is the food capital of Italy, home to the oldest university in Europe, and bursting with life, culture, and opportunity. It's elegant without being snobby, intellectual without being dull, and vibrant without being overwhelming. You'll find jazz festivals, historic arcades, affordable housing, and a younger population that keeps things dynamic. It's also located in a sweet spot between Florence and Venice, making travel super easy. Bologna doesn't scream for attention. It just quietly gives you everything you've ever wanted. Whether you're retiring or working remotely, Bologna isn't just a place to live, it's a place to belong. So there you have it, 15 of the best places to live or retire in Italy in 2025. From the rolling hills of Tuscany to the hidden beaches of Sicily, from bustling cities to quiet medieval towns, Italy offers something for everyone. If you're dreaming of a life with good food, warm people, rich culture, and affordable living, maybe it's time to turn that dream into a one-way ticket. Which one of these places would you move to tomorrow if you could? Let us know in the comments. We read every single one. And if this video opened your eyes to the possibilities in Italy, make sure to subscribe for more hidden gems, relocation guides, and places where you can truly live your best life. Your Italian adventure? It starts now.